Welcome back to my kitchen, to my cooking. Okay, today I'll be showing you how I prepare my oven barbecue. Here I'm preparing chicken with seasonings after I washed, cleaned my chicken thoroughly. Here I'm adding some green seasonings and some powdered seasonings to the chicken, and like in another video that I did, which was the jerk chicken, I leave the skin on. I make sure to clean it, remove all the feathers, remove everything from it, and I leave it on the chicken because it's always good to have the skin on to help the chicken to keep the moisture locked in, because once the heat touches the chicken it will start drying out. Here you can see my chicken is ready to go in the oven. I heat my oven to 350 degrees and I will put this in the oven uncovered. And this is for barbecuing, and I'll leave in the description box all the seasonings that I use to season the chicken, and also what I use to make my barbecue sauce, because I don't normally just use the barbecue sauce from the bottle directly. I add like brown sugar, a little vinegar, a little ketchup. I'll add a little white wine. If I have white wine, I'll also add it to the barbecue sauce. Here you can see the chicken after an hour in the oven. It's now ready for me to add the sauce, and for some reason my phone battery that I am using currently to vlog, the battery died and I did not get a chance to show you how I baste the chicken with the barbecue sauce. And once I do that, I normally add it back to the oven. After I baste it, I normally turn the oven off and leave it. So here, this was a couple hours after. I'm showing you I chopped the chicken up, and this is what the end product of it looks like. Barbecued oven chicken, looking juicy, tangy, and I did remove the skin from it. Once it's done and I'm ready to add my sauce, my barbecue sauce, I normally peel the skin off. I like my meat well done, especially even like chicken. Although it takes a shorter time to prepare, I like to make sure that there is no blood in it. The meat looks white. The meat looks like it is ready to consume. This, I just did it out of the blues. I didn't serve it with anything. You can serve this with your choice of white rice, rice and peas, festivals, or you can eat it just as is. If you want, you can add additional barbecue sauce or whatever dipping sauce. In my barbecue sauce, I also use a little honey mustard, and I leave in the description box all that I use to make my tangy barbecue sauce. Again, this chicken was juicy. The flavor, it was really tasty too, based on seasoning it up. I did this the night before, so it was lit. It was well marinated. It was good. Again, thank you for the support. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you get notified each time I upload or I post a video. Again, thank you for watching. See you again in my next video. Make sure you like and share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Thank you again for watching. See you soon. Bye.